Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, a big welcome. I haven't cooked in a long while, so today I've decided to cook fricassee chicken and white rice. I'll share it with you right after this. Hi guys, check this out. It's been a minute since I've cooked something. It's fricassee chicken simmering down, and over here I have some white rice. It's coming out fine. What do you think? It smells really good.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.